Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to one more class. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between some and any. Remember the pronunciation of them, some and any. So let's talk about some. So some are going to use in affirmative sentences. And it also you're going to use when you're offering or you're requesting something polite. Let's see some examples. So example number 1, using positive ones. So I have some friends in Canada. One more time. I have some friends in Canada. Let's see another one. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some milk in the fridge. Another one. She bought some apples at the market. She bought some apples at the market. She bought some apples at the market. Now you see some positive sentences. Now let's see some offering. Let's see the number 1. Would you like some coffee? One more time. Would you like some coffee? Let's see another one. Can I have some water, please? One more time. Can I have some water, please? See, it's not that hard, so you've seen the difference. You're going to use in affirmative sentences, and you also when you're going to request something politely. Now let's see the usage of any. Remember, one more time, the pronunciation, any. So any, you're going to use the opposite way. You're going to use in negative sentences, and you're also going to use in affirmative questions, or when you're asking some questions. Let's see some examples. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. The example number 2. She doesn't want any banana. She doesn't want any banana. Now let's see some examples using questions. Let's see the number 1. Do you have any brothers and sisters? One more time. Do you have any brothers and sisters? Another one. Is there any juice left? One more time. Is there any juice left? See, it's not that hard. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, please just comment down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.